Let's talk to our coaches. Blake first.
Actually, I love that. That was like watching solid gold.
Oh,
That's what that was like.
please don't turn it
Really
off.
good.
Are you going to turn it on again? Thank you. Okay, come on over here. There's going to be another song for you, okay?
Love your showmanship, and I love when you bring that specifically up. I'm talking to you. I love when you do that, man, because really, it was a great performance. I think the only problem is that there are so many great singers. And the competition is crazy.
Yes,
So
I was
think that's the
recording
only